Millions of papayas arrive here every year. What happens next is a fast, precise, and incredible factory process. This is where the transformation begins. Freshly harvested papayas are delivered straight from farms to the factory. Every single fruit enters a carefully controlled production line. Each papaya is inspected to ensure it meets quality standards. Damaged or unripe fruit is removed automatically. Only the best papayas move forward in the process. These selected papayas now continue deeper into the factory. This is just the beginning of the journey. After inspection, the papayas move into the washing stage. Here, powerful water jets begin removing dirt and surface impurities. The fruit is gently rotated to ensure every side is thoroughly cleaned. Specialized brushes help remove stubborn residue from the papaya skin. This multi-stage system ensures consistent cleaning at high speed.
Cleanliness at this stage is critical for product safety and quality.
Once washed, the papayas are transferred to the next section of the line. Everything here is designed for efficiency, hygiene, and precision.
At this point, the fruit is fully cleaned and ready for processing.
Now, the real transformation is about to begin. After washing, the papayas move into the cutting and preparation stage. Each fruit is positioned with precision before processing begins.
High-speed machines cut the papayas with remarkable accuracy.
Seeds and unwanted parts are removed automatically.
The fruit is peeled to prepare it for pulp extraction.
Thousands of papayas are processed every hour in this section. Only perfectly prepared fruit continues along the production line. At this stage, the raw fruit is ready for transformation.
The prepared papaya moves toward the heart of the process.
This is where fresh fruit becomes papaya pulp. The prepared papaya now enters the extraction stage. Powerful machines crush the fruit to release its pulp. This process separates the pulp from the solid material.
The pulp is collected and continuously processed.
Remaining solids are removed to create a smooth consistency. Millions of papayas are processed efficiently through this system. This is the moment raw fruit becomes papaya pulp. Advanced sensors monitor the process in real time. Every stage is carefully controlled for quality.
The papaya pulp is now ready for refinement.
Next, the papaya pulp moves into the filtering stage. Here, fine filters remove any remaining particles. This ensures a consistent texture and quality. The result is smooth, uniform papaya pulp. Every parameter is carefully monitored. Quality control teams oversee each stage. Samples are regularly tested for consistency and safety. Only pulp that meets strict standards moves forward. This level of control guarantees reliable production.
This level of control guarantees reliable production.
Now the process moves to the packaging stage. Each container is filled with exact precision. Automation allows thousands of units to be filled every hour. Once filled, the containers are immediately sealed. This protects the product and preserves freshness.
The entire line runs continuously without interruption.
Labels are applied automatically with exact alignment.
Each unit now moves toward final packaging.
This stage prepares the product for storage and transport.
Millions of papaya products are completed here.
After individual packaging, products move to final packing.
Each unit is carefully arranged into shipping cartons. The cartons are sealed securely for transport. This ensures the products remain protected. Robotic systems stack the cartons with precision. Every pallet is built for stability and safety. Finished pallets move automatically toward storage.
Each pallet is wrapped to secure the load.
These products are now ready for distribution.
The factory operates with speed and precision at every step. Once packaged, the products are transferred to the warehouse.
Automated and manual systems work together to manage storage.
Every pallet is stored in a carefully organized system. Each shipment is digitally tracked for accuracy.
Advanced logistics systems optimize space and efficiency.
The products are prepared for outgoing transport.
Shipping operations are carefully synchronized.
Finished papaya products are loaded for delivery.
From here, they begin their journey to market. These products will soon reach consumers around the world.
This factory is designed to operate on a massive scale.
Automation allows precision at incredible speed.
Every system works together to maintain constant flow.
Thousands of actions happen every minute.
The entire process is carefully coordinated. This design maximizes efficiency and output.
Human expertise ensures everything runs smoothly. Real-time data keeps the operation optimized. From raw fruit to finished product, non-stop.
This is industrial efficiency at its peak. Inside this factory, every step is carefully engineered. From fresh fruit to refined product.
A complete transformation happens here.
Millions of papayas are processed with speed and precision. Every stage plays a critical role. Automation and control work side by side.
The final products are ready to move out.
From this facility, products reach markets worldwide. All starting from a single raw ingredient. Millions of papayas. One modern factory process. Every papaya follows the same carefully planned path. Even the smallest components play a critical role. The system is designed to keep everything moving without interruption. Hygiene and consistency are maintained at every step. Automation reduces variation and increases reliability.
The transformation happens gradually, not instantly.
Careful handling preserves the natural properties of the fruit.
Precision engineering keeps the process stable.
This balance allows continuous high-volume production. All of it working together as one system.
Much of the work happens quietly. Controlled movement prevents damage. Final cleaning ensures product safety. Conditions are constantly monitored. Everything is built for durability.
Packaging materials are handled with precision.
Consistency is the priority. Each product receives a unique identity.
Even at full scale, the process remains controlled.
The system never truly stops.
The process begins the same way, every single time.
Gravity and motion are carefully controlled.
Even small adjustments make a big difference.
Each stage prepares the fruit for the next. Uniform handling improves overall quality. Multiple systems run in parallel.
Operators fine-tune performance throughout the day.
The flow never breaks.
This repetition is what enables scale.
And scale is what makes this operation possible. At this scale, consistency matters more than speed.
Every detail is designed to reduce error.
The environment is tightly controlled.
Reliability is built into the system.
Thousands of products move at once.
Final checks happen automatically.
The work continues, even when it looks still. This operation runs beyond daylight hours. Because demand never truly stops. And the process continues. It all starts with raw fruit. And ends as a finished product.
Two ends of the same process.
Every stage is essential. And every machine plays its part. The result is consistency at scale. This process runs day and night, supplying markets around the world. Millions of papayas. One modern factory process.